Hi guys, so another ECU. For this one is it's a roof ECU. It's been sent in for me to test, and as soon as I opened it up I was greeted with this. So someone is playing ECU repair guy. Like I say, this is a roof control module, and these should be surface mount components. This should be, let's see if we can get light a bit better on here. So they all should be similar to this. These ones here, surface mounts, and that is just absolutely terrible. I've never seen anything like it, to be fair. So that's my project to repairing today. Also had this one in, which is another rooftop ECU. Also, the person that's had a go at this one, obviously he's got a bit of electrical background. However, if you look at the IC there, let's move this out of the way. This guy has changed. At some point this has been changed, this IC here. Let's get this on here. So this one here, and as you can see, this leg here, it's not connected, and the reason it's not connected is because when it's changed, when it's took this off and changed it, it's taken the pad away with it. But also, this isn't the right component for this board. The component that should be on there is this one here, which you can see is totally different. It's a totally different component. I'm not sure what that one is. I don't even know where he's got the one from the other one from, but that's the component that should be on there. Obviously the one that he's put on this one is can't really focus in on the there we are. That almost looks like an EEPROM. That shouldn't be on there at all, and it's a ST component, that one. It looks like a serial EEPROM off an engine ECU. So I'll have to check that, but I'm pretty sure that this one here, I'll try and zoom in again and focus, damn it. As you can see, it's totally different chip package. That one's a ST component. I'm not sure who makes that one, but I'm pretty certain it's not the correct one to be on there. It'll have a totally different pin out, no doubt, as well, so it shouldn't be on there anyways. So at some point I'll have to take that off and change it. But I've decided I'm going to repair this one first. I'm not going to show that process because it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'll save you the stress of having to watch me do it. But I'll clean that up and show you the end result. I also had this one. Oh, this is another one, but this one has seen a lot better days. It's water damaged. The through holes don't look too bad, and the connection points that go through the board don't look too bad. The only part of this one I'm actually worried about is when you open this up, you've got the back end of the connector here, and behind here is where these pins come through. And I'm worried that when I open that one up, that all the pins are going to be rotten. So we'll see. So yeah, like I say, I won't put you through the suffering of me actually doing this. So what I'll do is I'll come back to it and show you the end result. Okay, so with focus, as you can see, I've taken them off. We have a cracked capacitor here which needs replacing. I think this might be cracked as well. Just totally removed the pads when it's done his little thing. Obviously that was the failure as well. The diode that he put in there totally blew out the unit. on this part, so there's no tracks to connect to. Also, these aren't too bad, but he's also had a few other goes at other things that I found as well. There's this focus. There's this one here, which shouldn't be here. See, these should all be surface mount components, and is using throw-hole components. There's also had to play this side. What's going off with the focus with this today? As you can see, there's those. There's another component there that shouldn't be there. And I don't know what's going off here. Focus. So as you can see, is that a play? But like I say, the worst damage is actually on this side. I think I might be able to repair that. Might. I say that very lightly. Because I believe this track here is joined to all of these. Now, as far from the pad here, obviously that normally connects to here, so that's should be doable. So I'm going to give it a go and see whether it tests out okay. And I've got my SMD diodes. So we'll have a go. I'll have a go, see if it'll if I can get it back to life.